so that, and then also, yeah, pretty much everything on the right.
Yeah, so as far as like, so the way that I do it is if I have something about friction, I'll know it's forces, right?
Mhm.
So you always draw just a free body diagram, and you'll be able to solve out a bunch of stuff.
Mhm.
Once you have a free body diagram, the next thing you do is always sum your forces.
Okay,
So it'll always go from here to here.
okay,
And you solve for your forces. The only reason you do that is so you can use F equals ma to get the acceleration.
okay,
So you go from a free body diagram to summing your forces to finding the acceleration.
okay.
And then your
And then
acceleration is what you use in kinematic
That's
equations.
just one of the kinematics there.
Yep.
Okay, I think I can handle that. So the next one is asking for the, if the string tension is 17 newtons and the table is coated with oil, what is the block's speed after moving 0.9 meters? So let's see, the coefficient of kinetic friction on lubricated steel is 0.05.
So with this problem already set up, what's the only thing that changes?
Let's see, if the string tension is 17 newtons, what was it before?
17 newtons.
Oh, it was 17? Oh, okay.
Yep.
So the only thing that changes then is their coefficient of the friction, 0.05.
So we'll just change this to 0.05.
So we're 14.7 times 0.05 equals 0.735 for our kinetic friction.
Okay?
Okay, now let me see if I can do this.
Yeah, go ahead.
Make sure I don't screw this up. Okay, so that changes our normal force in the x direction to 17 minus 0.735. What's happening with my calculator? Okay. So 17 minus 0.735. Okay, so our force, what would that be? Our
Net force?
net force, yeah, is 16.27. Okay.
Okay. That's this, right?
So now we get 16.27 divided by 1.5 gives us 10.84, which is our acceleration. 4.
Okay.
And then we use that to solve for V final. So let's see here. Square root of 2 times 10.84 times 0.9 equals, equals 4.1, oh, excuse me, 4.417. So 4.4142. 4.42. 2. Boom.
Okay.
It's not too bad. I don't know why I messed up on that. but
Yeah, it's just the friction getting there, but
I
yeah.
was trying to divide something when I did it.
There's only so many ways you can go with any kind of problem. And these ones are pretty predictable. That if they say anything about forces, so if you see newtons or a coefficient of friction, then you know you're just gonna draw a free body diagram
All right.
right off the bat. And then you're gonna use that to find acceleration and solve a kinetics problem.
Okay.
That's pretty much all you do.